This is a banana plant. And this is my second one. When I got both about 2 months back maybe, they both were identical. They were still same size, but about half the leaves. So they had like 4, 5, 6 leaves each. And this plant here specifically also had some pups. So I got a little bit greedy and decided to run the experiment and separate the pups. According to YouTube, it's just a little cut, and then everything's gonna be fine. That is not how it turned out for me. I started to removing the soil layer by layer because I didn't know how far I have to dig, so to say. But it turned out I have to remove basically all the soil to be able to find the area where it would be the smallest cut. But by then, the main plant, the mother plant, already suffered some trauma. So when I potted it back in, it struggled. It struggled to recover. Plus, the new substrate that I put it in, Ceramis, is a clay nuggets, and they hold onto water a little bit better than, much better, than the original, very chunky, very airy substrate that I purchased them in. And for the past 3 weeks, or even longer, this plant was dying and dying and dying. It was even, the stem was even rotting, so I had to remove the leaves and the layers from the stem, so to say. So originally the stem was this white, but since I removed the leaf layers up until the whole total bottom, the stem is now just half the size. But I did have a peek a couple days ago, and it seems like all previous roots rotted away, like everything. But in the process, the plant did develop some new roots, and they look a little bit more like water roots. So as of this week, I can celebrate this plant is actually now recovering. Hooray!